Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
तो कल्प्रिट आशिल्लो तो हांगाच आशिल्लो ताका कांय तरी कारणा खातीर अटक जावना. सो आमी खूब वेळ रावले. शेनवार गेलो, आयतार गेलो. सकाळी काल रातचो आमी एक IMAच्या ऑफिसांतल्यान एक मेसेज पावयली सगळे आमच्या IMA मेंबराक की आमी पर्वरी पोलीस स्टेशनाचे इन्चार्ज जे आसात PI मिस्टर निनाद आनी तांचे सिनियर एडविन कुलासो हांचे कडेन आयल्यात. सो तांचे कडेन भरपूर आमी भासाभास केली. They have realized the seriousness of the act and they have promised us that they are going to arrest other attendees. Already warrant भायर सरपाचो आसा काय आसा to arrest the culprit. आणि ताजे बरोबर ताजे वांगडी आशिल्ले की ताका आज सांचे पर्यंत जी फुटेज जी आसा हॉस्पिटलांक JMJ हॉस्पिटलांक ती आयडेंटिफाय करून तांकां अटक करपाची ताणें आमकां आश्वासन दिल्लें आसा.
Here in Porvorim, Kerala, this is the first incident, and when the incident was reported, just आमच्या लक्षात आयलो, clear instructions were given to register the offence. Offence has been registered under Indian Penal Code as well as the Medical Practitioners Protection Act. So डॉक्टरांचे डेलिगेशन जे आयिल्ले आमचे कडेन डॉक्टरांक आमी एक्सप्लेन करून सांगलां कितले पर्यंत खंय पर्यंत आमचें इन्वेस्टिगेशन पावलो पळय तें CCTV फुटेज वॉट एवर सगळें आमी इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज मुवींग इन द रायट डिरेक्शन. It is assured to all the doctors that no injustice will be done. As per Medical Protection Act, जशें कितें बरयल्लें, whatever is laid down, we will follow everything, and we whoever is involved, everyone will be brought to task, will be arrested.
Till when? Till what time? We want
Brother,
everything is clear cut, sir. Everything is clear cut. How long?
Already Sangla, Doctor Delegation, we have said.
We have said today evening. You say it, no? You say
It can be any time.
तो रस्त्यार येनात पूण आमी टूल डावन करू शकता.
very good.
माइंड यू,
That is the next step.
आमी रस्त्यार येवपाचे ना. आमी तितले अनकल्चर्ड न्ही, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी कॅन टूल डावन अँड सी दॅट यू कम टू नीज. हे मात लक्षात धरात हा सगळें.
हाज्या पुढे डॉक्टरांक सोड आणि कोणाकूय येऊन थापता इतले आणि कोण कांयच करू शकतो ना.
डॉक्टरांक थापतावपाचे ना.
Who has given him the right to slap the doctor? Who has given him the right to slap that doctor?
अजून पर्यंत बरे आसा. डॉक्टर्स वेर व्हेरी कूल डावन आणि सामके डेडिकेटेड. आमचे पण कितें आसा न्ही, दीस हॅज गॉन बियॉन्ड द लिमिट. वी आर स्कॅर्ड टू वर्क एट आवर वर्क प्लेसीस एट द मोमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इन्सिडंट्स लायक दीस. आणि तुम्हीच जर आमकां प्रोटेक्ट करना जाल्यार कोण करतलो प्रोटेक्ट पाला.
Okay, we will come meet here on Wednesday and decide. We'll take a decision.
24 hours. He will run to Dubai tomorrow.
Sir, we are back at your school. As a gynecologist view on this, poor Amol, who has been at the receiving end of this, and for no fault of his. This baby, I'm talking about a medical case. Baby had congenital abnormality, incidence of which is around 2 to 5%. The babies are born with some defects, which can happen normally with 2 to 5% of the pregnant ladies. And not all abnormalities can be picked up with even the best of best technology present today here in Goa, in India or anywhere in the world. As a result, some abnormalities will be missed. And this was that case. Still, postnatally, because of our expertise available in Goa, like pediatrician Dr. Gauss, the abnormality was picked up, treatment was not available, and because of which the baby succumbed. No fault of any doctor. Such things will happen. In spite, even that it was diagnosed well in advance, things would have happened. 72 hours passed. Out of 72 hours, 12 hours he was sitting in the police station, and still he is not arrested and he is scot free today. They tell us that he cannot be traced today. Why? If such thing, this assaulter is scot free, no doctor of us will have guts to tomorrow to get up in the middle of the night and attend to the calls of the public. Who will suffer?
With 5-6 people attacking him first in the consulting room and then in the corridor. So we condemn this. I am speaking on behalf of Association of Private Nursing Homes Goa. And another thing is, in spite of all this happening, the doctor is continuing to take care of the patient because we have taken the Hippocrates oath. We have to take the care of the mother, and she is, I think, still in the hospital or may have been discharged today. And we will still continue to take care of these patients like this in our life. We have taken an oath